Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. Well, your watch is basically on your wrist, you slept, but Garmin Connect shows zero sleep. So in today's small tutorial, we're gonna break it down, we're gonna talk on how to actually enable the sleep tracking in Garmin Connect app in 2026. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. So first and first, open your device, make sure you are fully connected to the internet. Then, we're gonna go through the Garmin Connect app. Make sure you log in using your email address and password. Then we're gonna go through the truth about enabling it. So, you do not enable the sleep tracking in the app since sleep tracking is fully automatic. If your watch has a heart rate sensor and you wear it to bed, it records sleep. It's simple. There is no like a master switch. But what can you switch is enabling the sleep mode. This turns off the screen and notifications during your normal bedtime. So basically, it won't keep bugging you, it won't keep sending you notifications and all of this. Well, to set your sleep schedule, we're gonna go through this Garmin Connect app, tap on more here, then go into settings. Then you will be able to see this user settings, go all the way and select it. So as you see, we have the sleep settings, bedtime and wake up time. Go all the way and enter your typical bedtime and wake up time. This tells the watch when to activate sleep mode. It does not turn sleep tracking on or off since tracking runs whether sleep mode is on or not. But basically you are still not getting any sleep data. It usually means one of three things are missing. Either the heart rate is off, so watch was too loose, or you slept less than 2 hours. So make sure to check those first. The app itself has no enable button because it never turns off. And that's it. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.